Hey beautiful people, if you want to move abroad for free, this is that video for you. Here you are going to move abroad for work in one of the best countries that is looking for foreign talents at the moment. So these jobs are fully sponsored. Visa sponsorship is available and the companies are also giving you relocation support. So you can move abroad for free and you can move with your family immediately. And this is one country where it is so fast to get your citizenship. After working for 2 years in this country, you can get your permanent residency, and in 5 years only, as a whole, in 5 years total, you can get your citizenship if you want. And they have one of the strongest passports in the world. So forget the UK, forget Canada, forget the US. This is the next country you should move to. It's an English-speaking country and the job market is currently booming. So take advantage of this extreme labor shortage the country is currently experiencing and go work in this country. If it's your first time here, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. If you want to talk to me about your own personal move abroad, please do send me an email so we can arrange to have a call. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you would know when I post a new video, and also give the video a thumbs up and share it with everyone you know so they too can take advantage of the opportunities here. Before we go ahead, let me share this quick information with you. If you want to make $1,000 every month, I have the perfect side hustle for you. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to quit your job to do it, and it is passive income. So you're going to be getting paid while you sleep, get paid while you're on vacation. You don't need to actively work on it to get paid. Let me explain how it works. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP, and this is something that I myself have done. All right, so I get paid every month from Amazon for doing nothing. I started over 5 years ago, so you can do it exactly the way I did it, to be getting paid every month without doing anything. It's a publishing business, but you don't need to be a writer to do it because you're not writing any books. Stackley has put together manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. These books are in demand right now across the world. So all you need to do is buy these manuscripts from Stackley, publish it on Amazon KDP, and get paid every month. Stackley has also put together a free training course you're going to be getting when you buy your pack of manuscripts. So you actually do not need to know anything about this before you start. I too knew nothing about it. I got trained by Stackley. I started this business while I was living in Nigeria because I wanted to move abroad. So I started to save money to move abroad, so you can do the same as well. And even now that I'm living abroad, it really helps me with my living expenses. Imagine making $1,000 from nowhere, from literally nowhere, because I don't do anything anymore. And that is the beauty of the business. After you have initially published your books on Amazon KDP, you don't need to do anything anymore. Amazon pays you at the end of every month. So do buy a pack of manuscripts from Stackley. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There is a pack of 30 manuscripts, a pack of 60 manuscripts, a pack of 150 manuscripts, and a pack of 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I do recommend the 300 pack because that is what I did, and that is where you can make the most money. So when I say $1,000 a month, it is not fixed. It can be $20,000, $13,000, $9,000. It can be anything. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts, please send me an email so I can add you to my own private personal KDP group that has KDP publishers from all around the world. So buy your manuscripts from stackley.com, get the free training, publish your books on Amazon KDP, and sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below. The country we're talking about today is Ireland. Ireland is an English-speaking country, so there is no language barrier. Integrating into the society is going to be very easy for you. You can move with your family, so that is one thing I know so many of you out there want at the moment. So this is a very good country to work. I have an ebook where I detailed everything you need to know about moving to Ireland. It's a Work in Ireland ebook that has all the details you need, right? So if you get this ebook, everything you need to know about moving to Ireland is in the book. I've gotten so many testimonies already since it was first published, so you can get your own copy. You're going to be seeing all the visa details, all the kinds of visas, right, for all occupations. Are you going as an electrician, as a care worker? There's a full chapter for those that are moving as care workers, IT specialists. Everything is in there, right, all occupations. And there's also information about over 5,000 direct contacts of employers in Ireland that are currently hiring. All right, so you're going to be seeing the companies that you can send your CVs to. And I also put in there editable CV samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit. Just remove my name, put your name, put in your own details, and use that to apply for jobs in Ireland, because Ireland has a specific CV format that you should use, and all of that is in the ebook. So get the ebook and use that to get a job in Ireland real quick. So about the video, I want to show you some job vacancies that are open right now that you can send your CV to. These are top jobs for highly skilled workers that come with visa sponsorship and relocation support. Ireland has a vibrant economy with a high demand for skilled workers, and many companies are actively hiring foreign workers and providing visa sponsorship, primarily for roles in sectors where there is skills shortage. The key is to target those industries with the most need and the companies with the resources to provide visa sponsorship to you. The high demand sectors for visa sponsorship are: number one is technology and ICT. This is the sector with the most visa sponsorship. So roles such as software engineers, web developers, cybersecurity engineers, and other roles in technology and ICT, you would definitely get visa sponsorship here. And another interesting thing is that you don't even need visa sponsorship if you're in such roles, because these roles are on the critical skills occupation list, and when your role is on that list, employers don't need to go through a market test, a labor market test, to employ you. So you technically do not even need visa sponsorship. All you need is your work contract that is a minimum of 2 years, and you can just go apply for your visa yourself. There's a special work permit that is called the Critical Skills Employment Permit, and on this permit you can get your PR after working for 2 years. All this is in the ebook, so I highly recommend you get the ebook. I can't say everything in one video, but that ebook has all the information you need to move abroad. So send me an email if you need the ebook, or you use the links in the description box or in the pinned comments below. Another sector where you would get a visa sponsorship job is in healthcare. Doctors, nurses, midwives, carers, healthcare assistants are needed in Ireland. Pharma and medtech is another booming industry where you're likely to get visa sponsorship jobs. Finance and fintech, engineering, those sectors are really big for visa sponsorship as well. So let me just show you some job vacancies where you can send your CV immediately. IBM is one top employer in Iceland. This is their page for the jobs that are available in Ireland. There are 46 of them. So here you can see senior back-end developer. It's in Dublin. You can see cloud site reliability engineer and technical support professional intern, associate product manager intern, IBM cloud site reliability engineer. We have data solution architect, senior software engineer, software developer, senior solution consultant, senior software developer. Yeah, so they indicate which city this job role is. So you can see so many of them, and all these roles are roles where they hire foreign workers for. Yeah, so let us just see one of them. Let's click on one of them. Should we see senior software development engineer? Let's click on this one to see the details. So when you click on it, you're going to see all the details about it, your roles and responsibilities on the job, and then preferred education, non-preferred education, none. So basically required and preferred rather. So when it has to do with education, they are not even specifying that, okay, you need a bachelor's, you need a master's. They are usually not interested in such things when it has to do with all these tech jobs. Yeah, they're just, can you do the job? Can you deliver? Do you have the skills that is needed? Because when it has to do with tech, most of these, recent skills are even things you don't even get in a bachelor's degree, right? You have to have certain certifications for those specific skills. That's how, tech works. So even if you have a bachelor's degree in something, you would still need to get certified in certain, skills for you to get those jobs. So they have listed here the technical and professional expertise they are looking for. So if you have all of this, then you're good. Then preferred technical and professional experience is also here as well. And then about the business unit. So you click here to apply. Yeah, that's basically how it works. So it's the same thing for all of the roles that we have here. Please do ensure that your CV is in the Europass format. All right, so let us see another company here. Google is hiring in Dublin. They have 115 jobs available as at today. So you can see the different sectors where they have these jobs. There are 4 jobs in business strategy, 23 jobs in engineering and technology. Finance has 4, marketing and communications 1, people 7, sales, service and support 78. Yeah. So let us click on one of them and just see the roles that they have listed. So they have here trust and safety manager, software, senior software engineer. So roles like this are roles you would always get jobs in Ireland. They are so in demand at the moment. Technical solutions engineer, technical program manager. So Google is hiring basically. So let's see another company real quick. And this one is Meta. All right, Meta is also hiring in Ireland. So you can see production engineer here, investigative analyst, production engineer, network production engineer. It's a lot, yeah? So you can see that there are jobs in Ireland for you. So today I just shared one sector only, which is the technology and ICT jobs. I've previously done videos about healthcare jobs. So you may want to check out the playlist I have for Ireland. So you can see the videos I've done previously about jobs in Ireland. And please just get my ebook, all right? Because the ebook is just like me being with you, holding your hand, giving you a step-by-step guide to land a visa sponsorship job in Ireland. So send me an email if you need the link to buy your copy, or you use the links in the description box or the pinned comment below. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Let me know what you think about the video. Drop a comment below. I like to read from you, and give the video a thumbs up. Share the video with everyone you know. Subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more valuable content like this. Let us see in the next video. All right, thank you so much for watching.